Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Redmagic 8S Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card into this device. And to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to then pop out your tray, which is located at the bottom of the device right over here. Now there's two little kind of like holes. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout, where the pin is holding right now. You want to push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray will come out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray, you'll have space for SIM card on either side, so you can utilize two different SIM cards at the same time. I'm going to be using only one. So place the card on the tray, make sure it's clipped in correctly. If you flip the tray upside down, the card should stay in place. Samsung take notes, there's a little plastic. It doesn't cost much, you don't need to save costs. In any case, from there, pop it back in, and that's all you need to do. The card will start working right away. There we go, you can see that it tells me to enter pin for it, and pattern, and there we go, that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.